my channel. If you're new here, my name is Adriana Romano, and today we're finally going to be making the famous chicken parm pizza. So I just wanted to mention real quick that this pizza only has 6 grams of carbs for the whole pizza. It's normally 2 servings. If you were to eat a regular chicken parm pizza, a 10-inch, so an individual serving, that has 96 grams of carbs. So you are saving yourself 90 grams of carbs by just making this pizza at home. So all that you need is some tomato sauce. You can use any that you like. Some Parmesan cheese. I am using ricotta cheese for the topping. That is optional. I'm using some shredded mozzarella. For my topping, I switch it up every time. Sometimes I put olives, pepperoni, sun-dried tomatoes. Today I'm just using cherry tomatoes. I'm just gonna be slicing them and adding them on top at the end. And then you do need your ground chicken and a few spices. So I am using some oregano, pepper, salt, and garlic powder. And then you just need a baking sheet and the parchment paper. So let's get started. So I'm preheating the oven at 400 degrees, and now we're going to season our ground chicken. So you're first gonna add some oregano. So I add about a tablespoon. Then some pepper. Then a little bit of sea salt. About a tablespoon of everything is what I'm adding. And then some garlic powder. And then the last thing you want to add is some Parmesan cheese. Now we're going to grab our baking sheet and we're going to add the mixture right in. And we're going to flatten it. Now we're going to pop it right into the oven. So I just set the timer for 20 minutes. So after 20 minutes, you're going to take it out of the oven. Sometimes there's a little bit of juice, so you want to drain it and put it right back in on broil so the chicken can get a little bit crunchy. After that, we're going to add our toppings. So while we're waiting, if you can please like, comment, and subscribe, and click on the bell so you can get notified of all my next videos. So it's been 20 minutes, so now I'm going to take it out, and do you see how there's a little bit of juice here? I'm going to go ahead and drain it real quick. Now you want to pop it right back in and put it on broil for a couple minutes. Alright, so it's out of the oven now, and I'm going to be adding all my toppings and then just putting it back in on broil for just a couple minutes. So I'm adding the tomato sauce first. And you want to spread it out and go over till the edge of the crust, but leave a little bit of space so it can look like pizza. Now I'm going to add my shredded cheese. And my ricotta cheese. And now my tomatoes. And I'm going to add just a little bit more of the oregano on top. Alright, so now I'm going to pop it back into the oven for about 3 minutes on broil on high. Look how beautiful. It's out of the oven, and I'm going to go ahead and slice it up, and it's ready. Don't forget to click the subscribe button so you can see more videos like this.